This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. This is the evening feeding on the 28th of November. It was amazing, but all these little gulls on the street were up here on the roof of the church, and there are still a few, along with our crows. Charlie did not come down this morning. It was pretty hectic, and it looks like it's going to be a tough one right now for Charlie. This is our little, this definitely is little Shadow. Here's Shadow. No, that's the end of that. Here's Shadow. Well, put it that way. Shadow didn't get anything. We'll continue over here. People are getting out from the train on their way home. It's pretty cool, getting pretty dark pretty early. It's about 5 after 4. I would imagine by 3:30, somewhere between 3:30 and 4 o'clock, it will be pitch dark. I'll have to be out here around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, we're that far north here. So, but when the turnaround comes, it in like a month and a half, it really starts getting light very early. So you have the opposite effect. But then it's light till 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. In about May, June. Yeah, it's really, I don't really like that too much either, but that's just the way it goes here. There's someone walking a dog there, but we don't care. He's on a leash, so it doesn't really matter. It's about 7 degrees Celsius, but it's supposed to go down to 3 tonight, and then it'll get a little bit warmer next few days, and then it's going to get colder. I would like to go visit the Christmas market, the Weihnachtsmarkt in Constance. Oh, the bag ripped open here, but of no concern. Put that there. I'll put this down first for the crows, and then maybe that will draw them to the field. Thank you for all your nice comments. Yeah, very nice. There's some people out there in the world that appreciate the birds. See, you see, they get very excited, but then they stop because they don't like peanuts in the shell. But the crows love them. This is what they're really after. So we'll put this down and see if Charlie comes today. See if Charlie, hear that? That's what they really like. Just spread it out a little bit here. There's some leftover spaghetti noodles in there. So it's amazing. It's amazing. See if our little crows will get in here and get something. I'll get out of the way and we'll see. Yeah, that's that same gray car. Whenever he goes by this field and he happens to see me out here, that's what he does. So I'm afraid we're going to have to feed the birds over here tonight. again, there's just too much traffic. So we'll see if Charlie comes down. Poor crows. Very difficult to get anything during the week. Sunday is their day. I don't see Seymour. I don't see Seymour. Look at these little gulls. They smell Charlie's little treats here in my pocket. Oh, that's Charlie on the field. Charlie's there in the field. He got a shelled peanut. He's just not going to risk this over here. Oh, somebody there they don't like. Who is that? Somebody they saw they didn't like. It could also be a car. It could be someone in a car. So, well, we'll get some of it out on the field over here. Let's see if any of the crows come back. No, it's no good. It's no good. We'll stay here and see if we can wait in the car and see if Charlie comes down. We have to wait till the gulls go. The only problem is that they'll be sitting in the street. So what I might do is just take off and come back again. Look at these poor guys here. That sounds like Seymour. He's a bit late. I don't think there's much left for him. Look at these little guys. Well, you see, that's the only thing that the crows can get, and that's their shelled peanuts. That's just awful. I forgot the almonds again. The gulls don't like the almonds either very much. A little bit too hard for them. But the crows do well with them. The gulls do like the walnuts though. They're soft. So we'll go back to the car. Look at our little gulls. Oh, they're so cute. That's Seymour up in the air. I don't know if he's going to be able to get anything. He's kind of late. He's kind of late. I think that's Charlie on the trail there. I think Charlie's on the trail. Here's someone marching over here. I don't like the way she's marching over here. Not looking too good. I'm going to go get in the car where she comes over to me, and it looks like she is coming over to me. So here I go. I'm getting in the car and I'm locking the door because I'm afraid she's going to come after me. She's taking some pictures of the gulls. I'm here barricaded in the car. We'll just let her walk by. But she's definitely a bird hater. There, we got her through the car. You see that? But she was making her way toward me. And I know she would have confronted me. But I went in the car, and I don't think she wanted to go and have any trouble here coming onto the car and banging on the car and this and that. I don't know who she is. There she is walking. The best thing to do when you're alone. I mean, the GoPro only helps so much. It seems to me they don't care if they're on video while they're beating you. So better safe than sorry. I'm not ready to lose my life over the birds here. Here comes our little Charlie. Charlie's here. Let's unlock the door. Charlie, come here, Charlie. Come here, honey. There's a red car waiting there. Don't know what he's doing, but we'll go feed Charlie. Come here, Charlie. Charlie, come here, Charlie. Let's go on the other side. Come on. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Charlie, come. Come here, honey. Come on, Charlie. Come on, honey. Get your, hurry up. Get what you need there. Hurry up, Charlie. Get your sausage. There you go. Okay. Let's get this off the street. Charlie got a little sausage. Okay. Oh, that lady walked by. And she didn't attack me. But she's obviously something not good with her. But we got her on video. And I don't think she's a bird lover. No one